What does it take to start making money on YouTube? When I started my YouTube journey, I was full of excitement and hope. I'd watch videos about how others made it, how they went viral, and I thought, I can do this too. I believed I'd crack the code. I was very motivated and I knew I will definitely make it. It has been 3 years now on and off and still going. Still trying to crack the code. While I am seeing some improvements in my other channel that I talk about money, but it takes work and a lot of grit. I remember when I first started, I stayed up late, poured my energy into creating what I thought were unique ideas, and even launched a new channel thinking, this is it. I'd finally found my moment. But the reality? It hit me hard. After hours of editing, crafting the perfect title, and designing what I believed was a great thumbnail, I uploaded the video. I went to bed thinking, tomorrow my life might change. I woke up to 4 views. 4. And one of those was mine. I didn't give up. I did my second and third video. Same amount of work, something I thought was perfect. I got 0 views and the other got 7 views. I went back to watch videos on how to do it right. What was I missing? I tried a few things. I even tried to unlist and reposted the videos. I changed the thumbnails and the titles, the setting the description, but nothing worked. I changed the content, but nothing moved. That's when the doubts started creeping in. I began to question everything. My ideas, my effort, even my own worth. Not so many people tell us how hard it is to grow the channel. Some make it feel like all you need to do is copy this and paste that. Even worse, no one prepares you on how much that one dislike will sting, or how an unsubscription feels like a personal rejection. Then there are the comments. Even if 9 are positive, that one negative comment will haunt you. It's like all the energy you put into your content gets swallowed up by that tiny moment of criticism. But I couldn't let it stop me. I picked myself up, told myself to try again, and started watching all the videos that promised to teach me how to succeed. Stay consistent, they said. Just keep posting. So I kept going, posting more, refining my skills, and trying to follow what the successful people were doing. Here's the honest truth, though, this journey is not easy. I'm still struggling. Some days I wake up motivated, ready to give it my all. Other days, I don't even want to look at my channel. I've gone through phases where I stopped altogether, convinced it wasn't worth it. But every time I see others thriving, something inside me says, give it another shot. And so I show up, again and again, searching for what works. I don't have all the answers yet, but I believe I'll find them. You know what I've learned? YouTube or any creative endeavor really is not about perfection. It's about connection. It's about creating something that has value. Your video doesn't have to be flawless. It just has to mean something to someone. That's what I keep reminding myself. Think about it. When was the last time you watched a video that truly resonated with you? It probably wasn't because of the fancy editing or perfect lighting. It was because the person felt real. Their message felt like it was meant for you. That's what people are looking for, not perfection but authenticity. I want to tell you something important. It's okay to struggle. It's okay to feel like you're failing because you're not alone. I've been there. I'm still there most days. But what matters is showing up, even when you feel invisible. It's about putting in the work, not for the likes or the views, but because you believe in what you're doing. Although the views and likes are good, getting so obsessed can make you lose sight of what could be. And here's the thing, we don't have to have it all figured out right now. Growth takes time. The videos I've created over the years, I cringe when I look back at some of them. They weren't great. But you know what? Each one taught me something. Every failed idea, every flop, brought me closer to figuring out what works for me. If you're on the verge of giving up, let me tell you this. Don't quit. Not yet. You don't know who might need to hear your story or see your creativity. You don't know the difference you could make in someone's life. And you don't have to be perfect to make an impact. You just need to be real. Some days, it'll feel like you're shouting into the void, like no one is listening. But every now and then, someone will leave a comment saying, thank you for this, or this helped me. And those moments, they make it all worth it. So here I am, still showing up, still searching for what works, and still believing in the value of my voice. And if I can do it through the doubts, the frustrations, and the failures, you can too. You just have to start. Not perfect, but with purpose. Not flawless, but with heart. FYI, I still feel like this is it. It might be it or not. But I will keep showing up. What's stopping you from sharing your story? Because someone out there is waiting to hear it. Keep going. You've got this. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.